In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Airbnb account. Whether you recently updated your legal name or just want your preferred first name to appear differently on your profile, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. We'll use the website for this walkthrough, and if you're on the app, the labels and locations are very similar. Start by going to the Airbnb website and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens a small menu with your account options. From there, choose Account. This takes you to your main settings area where you manage everything about your profile. Next, open Personal Info. This section is where Airbnb stores your basic details. Here, you'll see areas for both your legal name and your preferred first name. It's helpful to know the difference. Your legal name is what Airbnb uses for identity verification and official documents. If you need receipts or host agreements to match your government ID, update that field. Your preferred first name is what most guests and hosts will see in day-to-day interactions on the platform. Find the section you want to change and click Edit next to your current name. A small form will appear where you can type your new details. Take a moment to check the spelling, capitalization, and any special characters. If you're updating your legal name, make sure it matches your government ID exactly to avoid verification issues later. If you're simply adjusting your preferred first name, for example using a nickname, enter it just the way you want it to display. When you're happy with the change, click Save or Update. You should see a confirmation that your information was saved. If it doesn't appear right away in all parts of your account, give it a minute, or navigate back to your profile to confirm the update has taken effect. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Some legal name changes may require additional verification or supporting documents, especially if the change is significant. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. Also, certain fields can be locked temporarily if there's an active verification in progress. If that happens, simply return to this page once Airbnb finishes reviewing your info. And that's it. You've updated your name on Airbnb by going to your account, opening personal info, choosing the correct name field, editing it, and saving your changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident managing your profile.